guys, welcome back to my channel Rainbowart. You are watching Rainbowart. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Okay, today I am going to start a paper cutting art and I am going to show you the simplest method how we can cut a paper, and just follow my tutorial and you can cut easily. Let's see. Let's start. What you have to do, you have to take the download. You have to download this page and this picture. I will give the link of this picture to the description. You can download there and take a print, and you have to take another paper, this one, and this is a A4 size paper. This is also a A4 size paper. And what you have to do, you have to put this one on this page, and then you have to staple them. Done. And take another one this side. Okay, done. I staple these two page, you can see. And next what you have to do, you have to take the knife, this one, and you have to cut along this line, and you have to be careful. Okay, let's cut it. Okay, I have just done cutting. Let's see what's happened. You have to put it out very carefully. Okay, and I don't need this portion, I just need this portion, and this is done. This is your actual paper where you want to cut it. ठीक है? Okay. Is it not easy? Please try, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting me. Thanks for watching.